Okay, welcome back again. What I want to look at now is algebra and transposition of formulae. Okay. Now I'm going too close because it just makes it somewhat blurred. Okay. Sorry about that. Now there was a mode on YouTube where you could remove the handshaking bits, but they have removed that from their system, which I found to be quite disappointing. Okay, let's continue. And again, here we're looking at outcome 1, okay? And again, purely read this for your own edification, okay? So you know what you're meant to be doing and what we are trying to look at, okay? Algebra, okay? Now write these out in full. Do not half do it. Use pen and paper, old-fashioned stuff, okay? You can't beat it. Now I won't go into close to these because I found that sometimes I don't need to. Looking back at some of the videos I've made, and I'm always trying to improve how I present you with the work, okay? Now remember here, 6y, you're multiplying 6x plus 6y, so therefore you've got to multiply out the bracket first, okay? That is common sense, okay? And again, either BIDMAS or BODMAS would apply in every case. So 6 times x is 6x, 6 times plus 6y is 6x plus 6y, okay? It's as simple as that. Practice for yourselves, make sure you understand that concept, get used to it. Again, if we have more than one set of brackets, we have to multiply each term in one bracket by each term in the other, okay? And that is simple enough to do, okay? Use an arrow system so you know what you have multiplied, okay? Formulae, okay? And transposition. Now these are things you will need. Get into practice. Practice, practice, practice. Okay? Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.